how to change language on Shein. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you how you can change language on Shein. So if you want to change language on Shein, all you need to do is just go ahead and log in into your Shein account. If you want to make it understandable to a native language or a language that is appropriate to you, then what you'll have to do is just go ahead and tap on the me icon located right at the bottom. However, there must be some certain limitations, so you might not be able to get all the language that you're actually looking for. So when you just go ahead and tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner, and right on this page you'll be able to see language, and just go ahead and tap on it, and then you'll be able to see there are 3 different languages that's available. You can also go ahead and tap on phone, follow the phone system, and that's basically how you can change language on Shein. So in that way you can change language on Shein. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.